Hello grade 1, how are you today? Today we have a new lesson. What is the sun? What is the sun? All of you of course know the sun, right? If you look at the sky, you will see the sun at morning, right? Okay. The sun is a star. The sun is a star, which is a big ball of hot gas. So, what is a star? Is a big ball of hot gas. And the sun is a star. Okay, now we live on Earth, right? The sun is the nearest star to the Earth. The sun is the nearest star to the Earth. What do you think? The sun is bigger or the Earth? The sun. The sun is bigger than Earth. The sun is bigger than Earth. But we see the sun small, right? Why we see the sun small? Why? Because the sun far away. The sun looks small because it's far away, very far. So we can see it small. We can see it small. Okay, open your book, page 115. You're gonna see the question in the end of the page. Circle the word that tell why the sun looks small. Circle the words that tell why the sun looks small. Why we see the sun small? Because it's far away. So we will circle because it's far away. Why we need the sun? The sun is very important. The sun helps us. How? The sun warms the land. When you go to the beach and in summer, you will find what? The sand is very hot, right? And the water and the air also, because the sun warms the land, water and air. Land, water and air. And the sun also lights the earth. Light the earth. If we don't have sun, the earth will be what? Dark. So we need the sun because the sun lights earth. Because the sun lights earth. And plants need the light from the sun also. Why? Why the plants need the light from the sun? To grow. To what? To grow. We use light from the sun to see. And we use light from the sun to see. And all living things need heat from the sun. Need what? Heat. Because without the sun we will be very cold. So living things need heat from the sun. Open your book, page 116. Write one reason why living things need the sun. Write one reason why living things need the sun. Why we need the sun? We need light from the sun to see, and we need heat also from the sun. So you will write we need light from the sun to see. As I said before, the sun is very important, but at the same time, the sun can harm us too. What is the meaning of harm? That the sun will be dangerous. So, what shall I do to protect myself from the sun? I can use sunscreen, like cream, to protect my skin. And what about my head? I can wear hat to protect my head. And I can use sunglasses to protect my eyes. And be careful, you should never look at the sun. You should never look at the sun. Open your book, page 117. Look at the end of the page. Underline one way that the sun harms us. Underline One way the sun harms us. You will underline what? Too much sun can hurt your skin and eyes. Too much sun can hurt your skin and eyes. Okay, then the other one, circle two things that protect these children from the sun. Circle two things that protect these children from the sun. What can we do to protect ourselves from the sun? I can use what? I can use sunscreen to protect my skin. Circle sunscreen. I can wear hat to protect my head. Circle hat. What about my eyes? How I will protect it from the sun? I will use sunglasses to protect my eyes from the sun. Thank you for listening.